The diagram shows a rectangle. The width of the rectangle is x, the length of the diagonal of the rectangle is 12, and we're told that the perimeter of the rectangle is 28. We need to find the possible values of x to three significant figures, showing our working clearly. So the fact that the perimeter is 28, that's telling me that x plus, for now I'll call this y, plus y is 28. So 2x plus 2y is 28. So 2y is equal to 28 minus 2x. And so y is 28 minus 2x divided by 2, which is 14 minus x. So I can replace this y that I made up with 14 minus x. Right, now to use the other piece of information in this question that we've been given, which is that the diagonal of this triangle is 12. Now, it's a rectangle, so I know it's a right-angled triangle. So I could do a little bit of Pythagoras here. I could say that 14 minus x squared plus x squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. Right, let's expand these brackets. So we've got 14 minus x times 14 minus x. The 14 times 14 is 196. The 14 times the minus x is minus 14x. The minus x times the 14 is minus 14x. And then the minus x times the minus x is plus x squared. So this is this. We've then still got the x squared equals 12 squared, which is 144. Right, collecting up some like terms then, because we've got the minus 14x, which is minus 28x. We've then got the x squared plus x squared, which is 2x squared. And now what I'm going to do, this is a quadratic equation, so I want it to equal 0. So I'm going to subtract the 144 from both sides. The 196 take away the 144 is 52. And next because I can, I'm going to divide all of these terms by 2 just to make the numbers a little bit easier to deal with. The 52 divided by 2 is 26. The 28 divided by 2 is 14. And then because this is a quadratic equation, I'm going to rewrite it slightly with the x squared term at the front. And now I'm going to use the quadratic formula to solve this. I can see that the a is 1, the b is minus 14, the c is 26. So x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a, which, if we put that into our calculator, we get two solutions. We get 11.7958, blah, blah, blah. Or we get 2.20417. And we need to round those to three significant figures. The three significant figures for the first answer are 11.7, so we're going to round up because of the 9. So we'll get 11.8. The three significant figures for the second answer is 2.20. We're going to round down because of the 4. So we'll just get 2.20. And those are the two different values of x.